I'm constantly shocked at what we are able to get approved. We have a lot of repeat borrowers and some really cool success stories. I mean, I can think back a couple of years ago, I had a lovely lady and she was at like a 560 credit score, and all she had to do was go to JCPenney's and buy a pair of socks because she had a JCPenney's credit card. And then once that reported the following month and she had a little bit of utilization in her credit report, she set up 60 points and she moved to that 600 range, which changes her credit bracket, changes her pricing, everything is different. 120 points in 30 days is the biggest swing I have ever experienced. And that was $3,700 in debt pay down over 8 credit cards and just reduced their overall utilization in 30 days with all the natural reporting, right? Because your creditors will report typically to the bureaus on a 30-day cycle. So we paid everything down. It hits the credit report kind of one after another. They went from like a 540 to a 660. It was awesome. And like, those are like huge victories for me when we get those things and I'm like, you know, I want to cry, you want to cry, like we got something accomplished here, and now we can move forward to what you really need, which is debt relief to buy a home. I love it. I think it's really awesome.